back in this piece today. We're gonna be installing a diffuser today on Carnage. LIL Fella, he will be helping me do this today. We're gonna get this done. I did put his nickname out there for those who want to know who LIL Fella is. I did put his nickname out there. You dig? Make sure I'm good. But yeah, we're gonna add a diffuser on here today. We're also gonna add some little side pieces right here. Some little side pieces right there. I got the diffuser from where, Christine?
Amazon.
Amazon. What is it called?
You got it from Ikon Motorsports.
We got it from Ikon Motorsports. I don't know what it's called, but I put that in the description, so you'll know what it's called, and you can get that for your 392 Scat Pack, Hellcat, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna get back to y'all in a sec because we got to get to work. Maybe it's part of the tip.
They both are like that.
Oh, they both like that?
Mm-hmm.
That's the oldest. That's the new one?
Yeah.
Oh, you want another one?
That's the old one right here.
We'll hold them up.
Let's get them both, too.
So they look like.
Oh, yeah, new one.
That's a major difference.
Yeah, new one looks way better.
This one will look way more aerodynamic. It got some little side pieces too. Did you see it? Inches gonna look crazy on that bad boy. Ooh.
Jeramie, you know what this reminds me of? Trail and candy sitting in a tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love, then comes marriage.
God damn, I guess we gonna be some freestyling motherfuckers.
No holes?
Look, say you know how to do it. Yeah, this kit don't come with no holes. That's bullshit. It don't come with no holes, so you gotta make your own holes. Luckily, we got a guy that know what he's doing. Me, not him. Me.
Oh, you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Don't give him the camera. Give it to me.
Oh, okay. But he's down there.
Yeah, he down there acting like he know what he's doing. But that's what it look like. It look like it. Does it look like it fit good, little fella?
Not really. I mean, it's got a gap right here.
So what you recommend? Leaving them off or putting them on?
I mean, that's up to you.
I would put them on. It'd be all right.
I mean, that's up to you. If you think that look good right there.
Yeah, I think that's good.
I love you.
What you think? You be hold there and hold so you can see it?
You like it?
It look like it's supposed to go there, but I don't. Let me see.
Heavy, say hi.
No.
She said
I don't
no.
see no other way it would go. That's the only way it can go, right?
The only thing I don't like is this gap.
Me too. I don't like the gap.
It's kind of janky there.
Yeah, it should be smoother than that, shouldn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe I should leave them on.
That's up to you.
There's a little gap. It's as far back as it goes.
Yeah, I can't even feel no more.
I wonder if
I get the greatest.
how do you know it doesn't go back anywhere? It just doesn't scoot back no more?
I mean, that's it.
Oh. I don't know.
You got some more you can put on there.
You gonna leave the side aprons off?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it because they don't look.
Hold it up to it, little fella. See how it fit, how it fits.
It don't look like it look like.
It doesn't sit.
Yeah, it don't sit flush. It look
Flush.
goofy doofy.
So you're just gonna order some
Yeah, I'm gonna order
different.
some more side aprons.
I mean, these are easy to put on, so the other ones be pretty easy.
Right.
But these ones,
That don't look right. Woo! Man, we got the pieces on. About to hit this car wash up, wash it all off. I'm gonna let y'all check it out, you know what I'm saying, with little fella. Help me install these little mods. I'm gonna follow him real quick. He in that big boy Dodge. You hear it, it's louder than a mug. Yeah. In Missouri right now, man. I'm in Missouri. Yeah, man, we out here. I'm following him to the car wash. We're gonna wash the car up so y'all can check it out, man. See what y'all think, man. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about these little mods I put on the car. Let me know if you like them or not, man. But I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second. Dig? There go that rear diffuser right there, baby. I just installed that. Well, me and little fella just installed that, man. That's what it's looking like. I'll probably drop a picture, let y'all see what the other thing look like. But man, I like that. Well, now I just gotta get them 5-inch tips, man, because it look good like that, but it need those 5-inch tips, man. There's too much space. See all that space right there? That's too much space, man. I need them 5-inch tips to get it right, man. And then I'm gonna put little strips of Go Mango right there. That's gonna set it all the way off, man. You know what I'm saying? Well, this build gonna be real nice, man. You know I said cosmetically, man. Hellcat will be coming sooner than you think, though. But yeah, man, I'm going ahead. You see, that's what it looked like in the back. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I ain't worried about nobody seeing my license plate, because if you come, you better come correct. And I mean that. But yeah. Wipe that on off of there. That look good though, man. What y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments what y'all think about that, man. I think it look real good myself. Let me know what y'all think. I'm thinking about debadging it in the back, man, but I like the Dodge. I like it. Some people don't like the Dodge thing. I like that. But I might have to debadge it because I got to tint those lights in the back too. Definitely got to tint those lights in the back. Hey, you know, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful for you. If you didn't, don't like, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? But if you did, you do what you do. If you didn't, hey, do what you do too. Look at that. We got a MOPAR right there. We got two. We got one right there, then we got a Jeep right there. Looking good. Official dishel. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and go to this touchless wash. I'm gonna holler at y'all as soon as I get up out of here, man. See what we got. We got clean carnage up. You know what I'm saying? Jig. Well, just got out the car wash, man, and there you go, man. Looking clean, looking mean, sweet guillotine. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I just playing. I was a singer in another lifetime. But yeah, man, that's what it looked like right there. Like I said, man, we want to get those 5-inch tips. Those are coming sooner than you think. Definitely gonna get those. They're gonna set the diffuser off right. Got that diffuser from Ikon Motorsports. I will leave the link in the description where I got it from. Well, I ain't gonna say link in the description. I'm just gonna tell you where I got it from and how much I paid. If you wanna find, I'm not gonna give them no free. You know what I'm saying? They ain't giving me nothing, so I ain't gonna do that. I just tell y'all where I found it, and you can go get it if you want to. Other than that, they on their own, because they ain't paying me, so I damn sure ain't gonna help them out. Jig! I'll be up. Boo! Let's do that. But yeah, but that diffuser right there, it's fire! Ooh, he gone. He moving, boy. Yeah, that diffuser is fire! Yeah, looking real good on Carnage. So definitely looking real good on Carnage. I definitely appreciate y'all joining me today, man. Gotta leave y'all with something positive, man. Stay away from them two people that I always told you to stay away from. Negative Ned, Negative Nancy. They will definitely suck the life out of you. They always on that negative shit, and we ain't on that negative shit. We on that positive shit. All positivity. Always be the positive person in your crew. Always uplift your crew when their heads is down. You always lift their heads up, man. Always strive to be greater than you was yesterday. Always shoot for the sky, the stars. Something. You gotta shoot for something, man. You might as well shoot for the sky and the stars, baby. Always be that leader in your crew, like I said, man, and always strive for greatness. Always be better than you was yesterday. And with that being said, man, whew, it's your boy, T-Lite. Oh yeah. And we out this piece. Jittig!
Fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.